Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of big data? It's like a giant puzzle where every piece holds valuable information that can help businesses make better decisions. In this video, we'll explore what big data is, how it's being used by UK businesses, and why it's quickly becoming an essential tool for success. So grab a cup of tea, and let's get cracking, because by the end of this video, you'll be a big data pro. Big data refers to the large and complex datasets that are generated by various sources, such as social media, Internet of Things, IoT, devices, and business transactions. These datasets can be so large and complex that they are difficult to process and analyze using traditional data processing techniques. Big data is characterized by its volume, velocity, variety, and veracity. Volume refers to the sheer size of the data. Velocity refers to the speed at which the data is generated and collected. Variety refers to the different types of data, structured, unstructured, and semi-structured, and veracity refers to the uncertainty and complexity of the data. Big data is used in a wide range of industries, such as finance, healthcare, retail, manufacturing, and transportation. It can be used to improve decision-making, personalize experiences, optimize operations, and automate processes. To analyze and extract value from this data, organizations often use specialized software and technologies such as Hadoop, Spark, and NoSQL databases. Big data can be difficult to handle, but with the right tools, it can be very valuable. It can provide insights that can be used to improve products and services, increase efficiency, and even create new revenue streams. Many organizations are investing in big data technologies and expertise to gain a competitive advantage. UK businesses can use big data in various ways to gain a competitive advantage and improve their operations. Some of the ways that UK businesses can use big data include improving customer experience. Big data can be used to analyze customer behavior and preferences. This information can be used to personalize the customer experience and improve engagement. Optimizing operations. By analyzing data from various sources, such as sensors, machines, and systems, organizations can identify patterns, trends, and anomalies that can help them to optimize their operations and improve efficiency. Enhancing decision-making. Big data can be used to provide insights that can help businesses to make better decisions. For example, it can be used to analyze financial data and identify trends that can help businesses to forecast future performance. Developing new products and services. Big data can be used to identify new opportunities for growth. For example, it can be used to analyze social media data to identify new trends and customer needs that can be used to develop new products and services. Fraud detection and prevention. Big data can be used to detect patterns of fraudulent behavior and prevent financial losses. Supply chain optimization. Big data can be used to analyze data from suppliers, logistics, and transport to optimize the supply chain and reduce costs. Risk management. By analyzing data on past events, industries can use big data to identify and mitigate risks. It can be used in insurance, finance, and other industries. To effectively use big data, businesses must have the right infrastructure, tools, and expertise in place. This may include investing in big data platforms, data scientists, and data engineers, as well as developing data governance policies. UK businesses can also work with data analytics consulting firms that can help them to implement big data solutions and extract value from their data. Now that you've learnt about what big data is, it's time to take the next step and find out how we can benefit your company specifically. Our team of experts is here to help you navigate the often complex world of tax incentives and make sure you're taking advantage of all the opportunities available to you. Whether you're a small startup or a large corporation, there are tax incentives out there that can help you save money and invest in the growth of your business. Don't miss out on this opportunity to give your business the boost it needs. Reach out to us today on the link below and let's explore the tax incentives that are right for you.